Hi, everybody.
Hi.
I'm Laurie.
And I'm Gary.
And we are
Laurie and Gary Cruise.
Welcome back to our channel.
And hi, folks. Today we're going to talk about the 7 things we like to do on a cruise. The reason we love to cruise.
Our 7 favorite things.
7 favorite things.
And we're going to get right into it. So,
Number 1. Looking at my notes here. We like to chill on the balcony. We always get a room with a balcony, right, babe?
yeah. Now, I know there's a lot of you cruisers out there that are totally happy getting an inside cabin and then just enjoying the outdoor areas on the cruise ship. We love having our own space to just zen out and watch the ocean pass by, watch the sunsets.
Look at the ports, you have the sunsets, and we feel a little claustrophobic on an inside cabin, or we'd probably do an inside cabin because it's a lot cheaper than getting a cabin with a balcony.
But also just sitting out and reading on a nice, like medium hot afternoon.
Zen out.
Zen out. That is one of our favorite things to do. So that's number 1.
Number 2. Watch the shows. We cruise because we like to watch the main shows, right, baby?
Oh, yeah. We love entertainment on all the cruise ships, no matter what. Specifically, Royal Caribbean is our favorite for entertainment.
Yeah, they have the best entertainment, I think.
But Gary used to be an entertainer on a cruise ship. He worked with NCL for
Norwegian Cruise Lines, on and off from 1991 to about the mid-2000s, and I was one of the headliners.
He enjoys watching the shows to see how it's doing now, and I enjoy watching the shows because musical theater is something I love. We both live in New York City, near Broadway. We love theater. We love watching theater. We love hearing music. We love it.
But not only in the main shows, in the main theater, but we like to watch the comedians and the guest entertainers in the smaller venues, and we like to karaoke ourselves. We like to go to the karaoke.
And you know I love it when there's an aerial/circus show.
Yeah.
That just makes my cruise.
Because she's an aerialist. Okay. Ready to move on? We love the ports. We have seen the world. Well, a lot of the world. I mean, we've been to Hawaii, we've been to Athens, we've seen the Acropolis, we've been to 4 islands in Hawaii, all up and down the East Coast, all over the Caribbean, right, babe? The ports.
Yeah, and to clarify, of course, there's ports we've been to that we don't love, but to clarify, we love when we travel seeing a little bit of this, a little bit of that. A lot of people, when we tell them cruising is our favorite form of vacation, they're like, oh, but you barely get to see anything.
Yeah,
but I say I like tapas. I like a little tapas here, a little tapas there. I don't need the full dish all at once.
Yeah.
Because then I can just go back on a cruise and get a little bit more.
Yeah, ports. Okay. The 4th thing we like to do, taking fun flex photos. Now she's
you definitely need to explain that one because that's a rare one.
Yeah.
So I teach flexibility classes at Body and Pole in New York City, and I like to do all different kinds of bendy shapes to promote my classes around a cruise ship.
Yeah, she has her own channel on that. So
I have my own channel at Laurie Bloom Flexibility on YouTube if you want to check it out. What I do is I warm up, usually in the room, on the balcony maybe, and then I go around the ship in my swimsuit and
I take pictures of her.
Yeah, and it's fun, and other people are like, what are you doing? And it's funny.
But they like it. You know, they like it.
It's just fun, and seeing what we can create and wear on the ship. It's a lot of fun for us. That's probably not a factor for you, but we love it.
Yeah. Okay, moving on. Eating. Ooh. We love to eat. And on a cruise ship, there's plenty to eat.
Oh, yeah. That's a favorite for me, just eating. Because, you know, at home, we're pretty good.
Yeah, we're really good. We like to eat organic whenever possible.
Salads, vegetables, fruit.
Lots of green stuff, lots of vegetables, lots of fruit.
So when we're on a cruise, it is party
It's time to eat.
It's go big or go home, and we go big. And then we go home about 20 pounds heavier.
Well, we only gain about 2 or 3 pounds, if that.
A day.
Anyway, okay. Explore the ship. That's the first thing we like to do. Once we get on the ship, once we passed all these things and signed all these things, and once we embark on the ship, we like to explore the ship. Yeah.
And then sometimes some of the ships are so big now, we don't get to see certain parts of the ship until we end up doing the ship tour for you guys. Because those I start very methodically, and sometimes I'll get to like deck 16. I'll be like, wait, I didn't know there was a whole other pool here. What
Yeah,
gives?
yeah.
So we love exploring the ship, and then we love being surprised later during the cruise when we find parts of the ship that we hadn't seen yet.
Yeah, because some of those ships are mega ships, and it takes forever to explore that ship, and it takes days to do it. So,
And finally, what is our absolute favorite thing to do on a cruise?
yes, we save the best for last. We like to make content for you.
Yeah.
So you can live vicariously through us, through our videos.
We came into this very randomly. I was just shooting vertical videos on one of our Royal Caribbean Anthem of the Sea cruises. I happened to post it on YouTube so the rest of the family could look at it, and it ended up getting almost 3,000 views.
So we thought,
So ever since then, we mix and match, we test different theories out, we show different things, we do voiceovers, we talk to the camera. We just really enjoy making and thinking about what to make for you guys that will make you happy.
Yeah.
So is there anything you guys would like to see from us? Please let us know in the comment box below. Let us know in the comment box below.
Yeah, baby, get it out.
Would you like to hear me speak English? I think I could do that. Also, if
we left anything out that you like to do on a cruise, let us know.
Yes, definitely let us know in the comments.
I'm
Good
sure
one, baby.
I'm sure we left a lot of things out that you like to do on a cruise, like go to the swimming pool, go to the solarium, which we like to do too, but it wasn't on our list.
It didn't make the top 7.
Didn't make the top 7, but if there's anything you like to do that we hadn't mentioned, please let us know in the comments.
Now, if you don't mind hitting that
Like and subscribe.
with the
Notification bell.
we'd really appreciate it.
Yeah.
We're still trying to build our channel up, and that's all we have for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Yeah, we appreciate it. We really do.
We really do. Until the next time, I'm Laurie.
And I'm Gary.
And we want you to live your
best cruise life. I think we got that out, didn't we?
That was a hot mess.
Bye.
Bye.